guys, welcome to another video. So I have just had a beautiful pink parcel turn up. So you know what that means, don't you? Yes. I have had a parcel come from Varnail. So excited for this. So inside the box looks like this. Their packaging is always so beautiful. It says on the back, this is really nice touch. Review and get a free gift. Love your order. Open and scan. DM varnail.com on Instagram with the screenshot of your 5-star review to get a free manicure kit. No shipping fee, free. How nice is that? That is a really nice touch. I like that. So that's inside the box. Then we've got this beautiful heart bubble wrap. I love this bubble wrap. It's so cool. I always want to pop it though like a big kid. And this is what we've been sent. So to start with, these I am really excited about. So these are gold and silver caviar beads in sizes 0.4, 0.6 and 0.8. So I'm sick to death of buying these off AliExpress, ordering the size that I think I need, and when they turn up, again, they're the wrong size. So I thought, let me try and get some from a decent brand in different sizes and actually find out the real size that I need. And these are Varnail gel polishes. So we've got iris blue, dark night rose, neon rose, bright yellow, lavender dream and sunny afternoon. Wait until you see these guys. They are stunning, all of them. So on the Varnail website there is an option where you can buy 3 gel polishes and get 3 free, and you get to pick all 6 of the colours. And they've got some beautiful colours on there as well, guys. I shall leave a little thing on the screen now, scrolling through some of the colours so you can take a look at what they've got. But yeah, they've got some amazing colours on there. And buy 3, get 3 free. To think you get 6 gel polishes for that price is really cheap. And these gel polishes are cruelty free, vegan friendly. All of Varnail gel polishes are made without ingredients linked to toxicity, big 5 free. I'm not going to attempt to try and say those. But yeah, they're really good gel polishes. They cure in an LED light for 30 to 60 seconds, in a UV light 60 to 90 seconds. Shelf life of 3 years, really nice long shelf life. And look at these bottles, guys. They are stunning. So they ombre from pink to white. And then you can swatch the lid as well if you want to swatch that, which I'm going to do that this week. I'm going to get all mine swatched because I look down at my bottles. It's really nice to have that option. So yeah, you get a massive 15ml as well. So for 6 gel polishes for that price, and with my 25% discount as well, yeah, that is cheap, really cheap. So today I'm just going to get them swatched really quickly, take a look at the colours, and then I think I'm going to do, if we get time, I'm going to do a little design at the end using some of them. But I want to get them swatched first, see what they look like. So I'm just going to get set up and then I shall pop back in a minute. Right, so this is going to be the first one, guys, because I'm dying to see what this looks like. So this is 001 Sunny Afternoon. Wait until you see this. Wow. That is beautiful. It's actually even more beautiful than what the website shows it. On the website, I thought it was like a nude with a golden shimmer, but it's actually a really beautiful lilac with a golden shimmer. Look at that. Obviously, my camera is going to do it no justice whatsoever. Oh, you just cannot see what I can see. You can kind of see it a little bit there. Can you see that golden shimmer? Wow. That is absolutely beautiful. I think you probably need to see that in a dark light. I'm going to try and get a decent picture of that and show you. Can you see it there? Look. But it's a lot more prominent to the eye than what my camera's doing it any justice. Yeah, I think that needs to be taken in a darker light. Let me try and... Yeah, look. So much better when it's darker. Look at that. Can you see that? That is probably one of my most prettiest gel polishes I own. Beautiful. So I'm going to pop that in the lamp to cure. That is a very good start. Next one is 008 Neon Rose. Ooh, wow. That is bright. Wow, look how bright that is. That is beautiful. Super, super bright. Love that. Then we've got 010 Bright Yellow. Ooh. Look at that yellow. That is so bright. It's that bright my camera don't even want to pick it up very well. Love that. And we've got 026 Lavender Dream. Ooh, that's a nice lilac purple. I like that. Beautiful, nice lilac. This is one of the ones I'm dying to see as well. 034 Dark Night Rose. Because on the website, this looks two different colours in two different pictures. Completely different colours. Ooh, yeah, that's a pretty colour. It's a really nice, like, plummy sort of colour. And then lastly, we've got 036 Blue Iris. Ooh, that's a really pretty shade of blue, isn't it? It's got a kind of purple hint to it. Try and show you in a... Yeah, that it's definitely that lighter sort of colour there. It's a really, really pretty blue. Beautiful colour. I like that. So, there we are, guys. That is them all swatched. How beautiful are those? They're all really, really beautiful colours. But this one especially, I would say that is one of my most favouriteest colours in my whole gel polish collection. Not just my Varnail collection, my whole gel polish collection. This is looking more red on camera. It's actually a really bright, bright hot pink. They're all really, really beautiful. So I'm going to leave the links to all them in my description box. If anyone wants to go over and check out them, you can do. And like I said at the beginning, guys, this was out of the buy 3 get 3 free listing, which I think is an amazing deal, especially if you want to build up your Varnail gel polish collection, because you can pick any 6 colours you want. So if you've already got a few of their colours, you're not going to end up with any of the same ones. Yeah, I think that's an amazing offer. 6 15mm gel polishes with my 25% off discount code. I think that's a really, really great price. And I can't wait to try these as well. and see what size it is I actually use the most. I'm thinking it's going to be the 0.6s, to be honest. I don't know, it could be the 0.8s. And I like these 0.4s for doing like chains and things like that. So yeah, that is them all swatched, guys. Now I'm going to go off and have a cup of tea, and I'm going to take these swatches with me and have a good look at them and see what kind of design I want to do. So yeah, I'm going to go off and have a cup of tea, and then I'm going to get set up, and then I shall pop back in when we're ready to start some nails. Right guys, so I'm going to start off by using this Varnail colour Rubber Pink. A really nice base colour this is. And I'm going to give a full coat of that on the middle nail and on the ring fingernail. But I'll just show you me doing the middle nail, and I'll do the ring fingernail off camera. And then I did go in and give this a second coat as well off camera. But this video was getting a little bit too long, so yeah, I've cut it down a little bit. Then I'm going to pop that in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. So now I'm using the Varnail white stamping gel, and I'm going to be using this as a gel polish. It's a really, really nice product to use as a gel polish because it's super opaque. I'm going to apply a full coat of that on the pinky, and then on the ring finger, I'm going to do about 3/4 of the bottom of the nail. So now we're onto the middle finger, and I'm going to be using this bright yellow, and I'm going to be painting a chevron smile line. And then with this neon rose, I'm going to be using a liner brush, and I'm just going to outline that chevron smile line. And now on the pointer fingernail, I want to do an ombre, and I'm going to ombre the neon rose at the top. So I'm starting off by applying it at the top first and then fading it downwards. And then once I've applied all that, I give that a cure, and then I went in with the bright yellow and I applied that to the bottom of the nail. And then I sponged it into this neon rose, which wasn't really the best way to do it. Usually when I do an ombre, I like to keep both gel polishes wet and use a detailer brush. I find it gives a much nicer effect, a much better blend when I do it with a detailer brush. I wasn't really happy with this blend, to be honest. Again, I'm just going to show you me doing one coat, but I actually did 3 coats on this. I just found that the sponge was soaking up the gel polish. I think when you use a sponge to do an ombre, you're better off doing that with gel paint. So now I'm going back to the ring finger, and I'm going to be painting the outline of a flower, and I'm using the Varnail black stamping gel for this. So you'll see I filled in them petals with a white first because I just find it makes these neon colours pop. So I'm going in with that bright yellow, and then on the tips I'm using the neon rose, and then again I'm going to blend the 2 colours together.
So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow.
Then once I'm happy with those blends, I'll cure them in the lamp, and now I'm going to be doing some zebra print on these white areas. So I'm going to be doing the bottom 3/4 of this ring fingernail, and then I'm going to do the zebra print on the pinky nail as well. I'm just going to show you me doing a few stripes, and then I shall do the rest off camera. So now that's all the artwork done. Now I'm going to go in with the Varnail tempered top coat. So this is a shiny no white top coat. And I'm going to apply that to the pinky nail, the ring fingernail, and then the middle nail. And then on the pointer fingernail, I'm going to be using a matte top coat. Then I'm going to cure them, and then you'll see I'm going to apply the matte top coat to them petals. And we'll give those a cure for 60 seconds. And now I'm going in with a gem glue. So I've just applied a little dot in the centre of that flower. And I'm going to do a little cuticle cuff. And oh, I forgot that I was going to do a really thin black chevron. So that's that done, and now we're going to stick down the crystals. So I'm using pink neon crystal for the middle of that flower, pink neon crystal, then 2 yellow neon crystals, and then another yellow crystal underneath the pink one. And then off camera, I filled in all the gaps with the Varnail 0.8mm caviar beads. So there we are, guys. That is them all finished. What do you think? I love this nail. I wish I'd have done a better job on that ombre, but I was kind of over that ombre. By the time I got to the end of these, well and truly done with that ombre. I like them, and I just wish I'd done these dots a little bit smaller as well. But other than that, I like them. I really, really like them. Love this yellow colour. It is a beautiful colour. Goes so well with that pink as well, doesn't it? Yeah, I like them. Everything that I've used today, I'm going to leave listed in my description box below. I've also got a massive 25% off discount code for Varnail as well, guys, which is GG30. So don't forget to pop that in at checkout to save yourself 25% off. Let's have a look at these swatches again one last time. So that's the swatches. So we've got Blue Iris, Dark Night Rose, Lavender Dream, Bright Yellow, Neon Rose, and Sunny Afternoon. That Sunny Afternoon is stunning. I'm definitely going to have to do something with that one next, because that is just beautiful on its own. I love it. I think it's going to look quite nice with that yellow as well. I see something with those two together, you know. I think they'd look quite smart together, don't you? Ooh, I'm excited. Really excited. So yeah, that's the swatches. So I want to say a massive thank you to Varnail for sending these out. Thank you so much. Like I said at the beginning as well, guys, Varnail do buy 3 gel polishes, get 3 free. I showed you a few of the colours earlier on in the video. I think that is a really, really good option, especially if you want to build your Varnail colour collection up. They've got some beautiful colours on there. Really, really nice. And like I say, big, massive 15ml bottles as well. You really, really can't go wrong. They've also got cat eyes on there on another listing where you buy 3 get 3 free. Glitter gels. Yeah, there's quite a few different ones on the other listing. I'll leave that listing in my description box below as well if you want to check out the cat eyes and stuff. And I think that is everything for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.